So the Mountain Aire is all new for 2025. It had a lifestyle change. So new front cap, new rear cap, new graphics. This is Twilight, probably one of my favorite color combinations in the whole dealer show. So I love that. You've got this plus 3 other options that you can choose from, or custom, of course. 5 floor plans. This is the 3825, so 38-foot motorhome with a 525 horsepower engine. It's going to be like a little rocket ship. What can I say? So you're probably wondering what kind of storage you get on the 3825. Well, here we go. So we've got the freezer here, refrigerator freezer, shelf above, so you can actually use that space. Nice pull-out trays here, not pass-through space. And then we've got the lower optional exterior TV, and then we have our DEF and our chassis batteries. All right, let's go check out the inside. Welcome to the beautiful interior. This is the Sorrento interior package. I think it's absolutely lovely with the Sedona suede finished cabinetry. Now remember, lifestyle change, so that means that all the fascias changed, the hardware's changed. I love the fascia. It's very subtle, it's very streamlined, nicely backlit, beautiful ceiling feature, new tile, new furniture, all leather. How about that? Yes, the furniture is all leather, along with our captain and co-captain's chair. They've eliminated the laptop little table, which is great because now when you've got your co-captain chair turned around, you don't have to walk around that. Just lots of new features for this lifestyle change, so you just have to come see it in person. Make sure you come visit us at National Indoor RV Centers. We've optioned in the theater seating here. We've got the storage here, the deep storage, and then the shallow storage. The controls, power controls for the theater seating right here. Plus we can charge our devices right there. We've got our panel here for the TV lift, which is going to be directly across from us. We have the dinette seating there with storage below. I love just the detail on the new furniture. And again, we're going to be able to extend this table, put in 2 new leaves, put the leg down, easily get 6 people to that dinette. Of course, this is where our TV is hiding below here, but look, that nice big window. Look at the new sconces, the new woodwork. I just think it's really lovely, really pretty. Love the countertop solid surface. We've got the splash guard. There's the sconce all lit up. Storage here, and then as we move into the kitchen, more storage, the pull-out trays. Very residential looking faucet here. Beautiful, nice and big. Look at that sink, it's huge. The little step up portion. And then of course the Mountain Aire is going to be all electric. That will come standard. Flip down. Look at how much storage there is in space. Love the pull-out trays. Optional dishwasher. Big drawer here for all of our utensils. Induction cooktop. Remember, those are removable. You can take them outside and cook outside if you want. If you're cooking something smelly or messy like bacon, you may want to do that outside. Convection microwave oven. More storage. And 3 more full extension drawers. How about that? Right across, we've got our Whirlpool refrigerator and freezer. Water in the door. Again, check out that nice backlit. And we have another compartment. I'm not done either. There's one more. I missed the pantry. Check out the pantry. The locking shelves. Full extension. The tray area below. Our half bath. Great little half bath. We've got nice storage behind the vanity. Solid surface countertop, storage below on the pivot door, so it's easy to get in and out of when your slides are in. Our LCD panel here, silver leaf information. We can control just about everything from the coach that we need to from this panel right here. Moving into the master bedroom, Beautiful. Again, look at that decor package. Look at the beautiful wood and storage above the bed. Nightstands on both sides, windows on both sides. And then we have great storage, our extra leaves for our dinette and chairs. Now, with the leather package, your furniture is leather, your co-pilot and captain chairs are leather, but anything that's on the headboard or in the fascia, that's going to be ultra leather. Then we have our favorite setup here with our wardrobe, 6 drawers, emergency exit, nice big TV, second wardrobe. So we step up into the master bathroom, great shower. I love the towel bars. I love the residential faucets. We've got the fixed head, the handheld, the shower seat, all new tile in the shower, more storage, optional emergency exit door, toilet with push button controls, optional washer and dryer, beautiful vanity here. Love the backlit mirrors and all the storage behind them. And then check out the storage below. Nice space here. And then we have 6 full extension drawers here. More drawers here. 3 more here. Optional safe. Another wardrobe. Just looks fantastic.